turntables in a microphone. 2 turntables in a microphone. 2 turntables in a mic. 2 turntables in a microphone. Microphone.
What the frick are you doing to my camera?
Where's it at? Okay. So, you might not get any context of why I have this
I
video.
killed that bitch.
Or why I'm making this video. I'm actually putting it in the corner and see how long I can just put it there.
Hello, Green.
Bro.
You're the most
Allahu
annoying kid
Akbar.
known to man, bro.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Kill yourself, man.
My testicles hurt. My testicles hurt.
I lost the Minecraft because I died.
Yo, I'm in the elevator. What the freak?
No.
Please,
We
don't bomb.
both
I don't want
died.
to be stuck in here. Don't bomb at the entrance. Help me.
Don't worry, I got him. I got him. I got him.
Oh, good. Do it again. I'm kind of big, so it won't break. Harry, don't bomb. I want to go back.
Chill. My
Someone
camera.
please explode.
A beautiful camera. Oh, frick. No. No. Oh, chill. Oh, chill.
You and give it back. Do you want to play with magic?
No. I have a.
Bro, on the Cold War! Don't worry about that.
It's the Cold War, bro.
Bro, this
is a Cold War.
Where are you, Rabbit?
Looking
Rabbit,
at each other.
I don't find you in the lobby. That wasn't nice. You shouldn't do that. Rabbit, did you join the cocaine list? Rabbit, did you join
I'm bombing
the
y'all,
cocaine
FYI.
list?
Bro, chill. Bro, chill. Bro, chill. Nah. Bro.
Ow, 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 ow,
Okay, so I'm gonna.
ow, ow,
Right.
ow. Oh! Do I team up?
What do I do?
Okay, guys, I put my camera up here. Just try to be funny because I put my camera up here, and I'm also not. It's recording y'all. So, I swear to God. Chill. Chill.
Who brings this to war, bro? Get out of here, it's mine. Yeah, get out of here, boy. No way, bro, I sold that. That's actually crazy. You're up there. Bro, die.
Spare me.
my god. Oh my. Well, that's the camera away. Look at the beautiful umbrella. Look. Okay. Hello. Hey. Oh, frick. Okay, I'll be back. Why is no one going to office now? No, nigga.
Nobody cares that you rape kids.
You can't go that high.
Right? Ooh, wait. Holy fuck.
Watch it. I can't see you. You're invisible.
Hey! I'm a part of your team.
Hello. Talking. Now, I'm gonna turn quality time now.
No, what the fuck would you launch my backpack, you stupid nigger?
I'm gonna kill everyone!
I don't care. Like, did I ever ask?
Don't make me.
There's nothing else in here. Yes! This shit.
Hey guys, I come in peace. I come in peace.
Oh, fuck.
I don't think I can let you do that, sir. Sir, put down all your weapons. Chill, sorry.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Daddy finger, how are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Jesus Christ.
Hi.
Oh, God.
This has no ammo in it. has no ammo in it.
Yeah, it does.
No, look. No, look. I'm in your walls. Everybody in the drip game, I'm in your walls. Everybody in office, I'm in your walls. I see you, Bunny. You're white, you have the bunny thing on, you have 2 shotguns, just tried to shoot me. Pathetic. That's RPG ammo. What are you gonna do with that, huh? Exactly!
Anybody coming into elevators will be blown up in 3, 2, 1. Bombing alert. 3.
I'm from the drip gang. I'm from it.
Bombing alert.
Don't shoot me.
2.
I don't know what's
Bombing alert. 3, 2, 1.
Just kill me already. Just kill me already. Just kill me already.
What? Sure wanna.